So that advanced ruling we will see here, advanced ruling and some circulars. With that, entire portion is over. Okay. Then customs and FTP we will be starting. And tomorrow also we have the session. From 10 to 1:30, and thereafter I have requested for one more session because I could not properly take the previous session. Actually all these are related to the previous session. Had I got time in the last session, if that power cut was not there, I would have completed this, and today I would have started with the customs. Okay, so because of that reason only, so I have requested them for extra one more session, which I have got that. I don't know whether that will be available for me or not, but I will try to wrap it up with the given time also. So say this, advanced ruling, that's it, 23, page number 121. What is advanced ruling? So we are getting a pronouncement from the authority with respect to certain questions, like whether a transaction is supply or not, what should be taken as a value of supply, whether exemption notification is applicable to me or not, or whether I need to get registered or not, and all these informations. So when there are multiple disputes or multiple queries related to interpretation of the law, we can make an application to the advanced ruling authority. So that advanced ruling authority will check the facts of the case and will give a ruling, will pronounce a ruling. So that ruling will be binding on the department and as well as on the registered person. So he need to follow whatever is the ruling that is pronounced. And on this ruling, can we go for appeal to any other authority? Yes, we can go for appeal to appellate authority for advanced ruling, not the regular appellate authority. This is appellate authority for advanced ruling. We can go for appeal. Okay, so there are two advanced ruling authorities. So that is AAR, authority for advanced ruling, AAR, appellate authority for advanced ruling. We have the concept of national advanced ruling authority. Okay, so national authority for advanced ruling, NAAR, is there, but it is not yet notified. So therefore only when it is notified it will be applicable. So it is not yet notified, so due to that reason it will not be applicable for your exam. So we have AAR, authority for advanced ruling, AAR, appellate authority for advanced ruling. So first we will go to the authority for advanced ruling. So who can make an application? So either a registered person can make application or unregistered person can make the application, and that may be with respect to a completed activity or with respect to an ongoing activity. Okay, so any person can make application for advanced ruling, and that advanced ruling can be by a registered person or unregistered person. So it can be before carrying an activity or in respect of an ongoing activity, with a fee of 5,000 rupees under CGST and 5,000 rupees under SGST. So to whom the application will be made? Authority for advanced ruling. Now, suppose if there is any difference of opinion between the members of advanced ruling authority, then it will be forwarded to AAR, that is appellate authority for advanced ruling. It will be forwarded. And whether this advanced ruling authority is state-wise or central, we don't have central, we only have state-wise. That's the reason why with respect to the same issue there are multiple advanced ruling pronouncements. Okay, so we have state level authority, separate AAR for each state. And withdrawal of application, there is no specific provision. Time limit for pronouncing the ruling, within 90 days from the date when we make the application, so they should pronounce the ruling. And what are the eligible questions? So whether an activity is supply or not, and tax determination, that is tax liability rate, so which rate should be taken, and registration, classification, under which head it should be classified in the tariff, and thereafter valuation, input tax credit, time of supply. So all the chapters of indirect taxes. And what about applicability of notifications? Yes, exemptions also, like supply or not, value of supply, time of supply, but place of supply is not eligible. Okay, so place of supply is an ineligible question. Then procedures apart from registration, like returns, payment process, refunds. So for that we cannot go to the advanced ruling. And then even with respect to offenses and penalties also. So what are the ineligible questions? What are the ineligible questions? What are the ineligible questions? So the ineligible questions include place of supply, ineligible questions includes place of supply. So if the question is related to place of supply, you cannot go. And then if it is related to, returns, payments, etc., returns, payments and refunds, in that case also we cannot. And thereafter offenses and penalties, okay, etc. So in this case we cannot. And these are some ineligible questions examples. Okay. Then rejection of application. Suppose if the issue is already pending in some other case in the court or tribunal, or if it is already decided by the tribunal or court, so then in that case with respect to that dispute or that issue, so advance ruling authority will not entertain the application, that application will be rejected. Okay. If the matter is pending in or decided by any court or tribunal, that is rejection of application. So this is about authority for advance ruling. Then next, authority for advance ruling, pronounced as advance ruling. So for example, whether director of a company receiving remuneration from the body corporate is liable to pay GST. So yes, GST is payable by the body corporate under RCM. What if the director is an employee of the company? Even then GST payable by the body corporate under RCM. Like that, when advance ruling is given, we know that it is a mistake, because in case when there is employee to employer in the course of employment, it is first of all not a supply, excluded from supply as per section 7 subsection 2 read with schedule 3. So now in that case, what is that we need to do? So in that case, we can go to appellate authority for advance ruling. So that appellate authority for advance ruling, by paying a fee of 10,000 rupees under CGST and 10,000 under SGST. And what is the time limit for making the appeal to the appellate authority for advance ruling based on advance ruling? So the day when advance ruling is pronounced by the normal authority for advance ruling, within 30 days, and it can be extended for a further period of 30 days, the appeal can be made. And this appeal, when it is made, if there is any difference in the opinion between the members, so then they cannot pass the advance ruling. Advance ruling is not possible on the issue. And whether we have central appellate authority for advance ruling or state level, that is again the state level. And what is the time limit within which they should pronounce a ruling? Within 90 days from the date of application. Okay. But in the example whatever I have discussed, actually there is a CBIC circular which states that, so whenever whatever money that the company is paying to the director, if it is covered under TDS under section 192 of Income Tax Act, the same will be taxable in the hands of the director as salaries, and therefore it will be excluded from supply, not chargeable to GST. If the amount payable by the company to the director, so is deductible for TDS under section 194, then in that case it will be taxable in the hands of the director under PGBP or IFOS. So then it will be covered under supply, and on that the company has to pay GST under RCM. Okay. So a CBIC circular is there. So this anyhow that CBIC circular will be binding on the department. So this advance ruling they don't have to relay. Okay. So that is that case. And so this small points only we need to remember for advance ruling. And one more point, suppose by misrepresentation of facts if the advance ruling is obtained, that is void ab initio, and advance ruling given to one person cannot be taken by the other person. So the other person cannot rely on the advance ruling given to the other person. That is, so I have got the advance ruling, I should only accept and rely on that, it will be binding on me only. So even though other person, the facts of the case are same, can he adopt the advance ruling which is given to me? No, he cannot adopt it. Okay. So that is another point related to this. And so mainly for MCQs or small comment based questions it will be useful.